Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this new exhaust fan. Guess the brand, guys. Now let me reveal. Gec Expel ceiling fan by Gec Electro. So the serial number is T714. I don't know what that means. I can't even determine the year of this. This is in mint condition except for scratches. I just clean it and I'll keep it. And I'll also show my other Gec exhaust. It is a different, and that will be coming in a future video. So this Gec exhaust is in really good condition. Even the bearings, original Gec SKF bearings from SKF Germany, still good. Let me just power her on and show you. Now this fan, when I purchased it from the Sunday market, came with this capacitor. This is an original. The original capacitor is missing, and then the previous owner dumped it because, let me show you, I have changed the capacitor to a 2.5 for test purpose. So the electrician, maybe he wanted the exhaust fan, so he did all wrong connections and took the original capacitor. I got this for cheap and I fixed it, and now it works. This is a steel rail exhaust fan, counting its GC, and I'll also show you inside the motor as well. I will tear it down. Now let's give you the second view. We'll tear it down and we'll clean it from here. Immaculate condition. Bearings are a little rough. A little bit of WD-40 will fix it. Now let's tear it down. See you when I tear it into pieces. So guys, I completely tore the exhaust down. Comparing to the other Gec exhaust that I have, this is more better because this is like the Crompton Transit design. That one was a Crompton medium duty like design, so the coil was dead by that reason. And let me show you the original 6200 Gec SKF bearings. A little WD-40 will fix it. And then here we have the rotor, very small, good for such a fan. Now as we have this torn down, I'm gonna clean everything, clean these parts, and then I will put WD-40 in the bearing and see you when everything is assembled. So guys, I've properly assembled the motor. Now let me put it back into the frame and we'll retest it. So guys, now the Gec exhaust is completely assembled, all connections done. Now let's switch it on. Bearing sound due to WD-40 sprayed on the bearings. That will be re-greased most probably, or changed. Final decision is not yet taken. Now the second view of the fan. Tedious holding the wire. Sorry for the delay. Yeah. Perfect. So guys, that's it for the Gec exhaust. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon. This exhaust fan is needing zero repaint, just a cleaning did the job. No, little cleaning was enough, and this fan is all good now.